hello to all my friends out there. So I'm having a little dinner out here on my balcony. Thank you very much for the lace tablecloth, Florence. I really, really love it. So I want to show you guys how my garden is coming along. I grew these tomatoes out of the food out of my plants. There's my poinsettia. I got these tomato plants from Walmart, and these zucchinis and I think cantaloupe from 99-cent only. And some of these plants are looking pretty bad because I transplanted them, but the fact that they're alive at all is amazing. So I'm having a little tea party. I have to keep the food covered because there's flies. This is creamy ham casserole, and I'm having some fruit. Okay, let me give you a shot of the recipe so you can take a screenshot. This really smells good. I'm sure I'm gonna really, really like it. It's inexpensive and it's easy to make. Okay, now. Okay, I can't plug in my waterfall because I don't have enough cords. Let me give you a shot of the city. It's really pretty here. Balconies are nice. You can get on your balcony and, you know, no germs can get to you. Okay, so I'll just try to do the best I can here. Hope I don't cut off my head. Okay, I think that'll do it. Okay, so I bought this little painting at, well, it's like a foil picture at 99-cent only, and the candles too. They're really pretty. I think they're mango. I don't know if you guys noticed it, but I have my rocks around by my plants. So my garden is coming along good. I want to show you something. If you remember my other apartment, I had these mats. And I got those at 99-cent only. I had bamboo and I had no hopes of ever getting any more, but somehow, you know, I did manage to find some. Okay, so what started the tea party thing was I had jewelry on a consignment in a store here in La Mesa, and she had a tea party, and I went in and it was all half set up and it was so pretty. And so that kind of inspired me. So I have sugar, well, it should be sugar and then cream. And this is a cute little teacup and plate that I managed to find. I think I got this at the Himalayan shop, I'm not sure. So enjoy life, you guys. Now I got the teapot at the Himalayan shop. This is really, really cute. I have matching cups, but they don't have finger rest, which I actually kind of like. Okay. I search around the thrift stores. I think the thrift stores are open out here. I'm not sure. I have plenty of stuff. I don't need more stuff. So this is black tea. This is one of the best teas ever, actually. There's quite a few flies. I hate flies. That tea is delicious. Okay, now. It's the same old setup on every tea party. You know, with food. When I was young, you know, back where my grandmother was, this was the setup for everything. Marriages, funerals, everything. So I made a tasty little salad. I bought this stuff at 99 cents only today, 50% off. So my salad is pretty cheap. And then I have been wanting to try this creamy ham casserole. I will post a recipe on Twitter. I put a good video on there, 25 cheap meals. Check it out. And then I have some fruit. I bought the apples 50% off. I had some canned apricots. I toasted some coconut, and I have some raisins. And then I have some green glassware. It's antiques and collectibles. Mostly right now I'm selling costume jewelry and clothes. So until I get rid of the clothes, you know, I'm selling clothes. But once the clothes are gone, then, you know, no more clothes. So I hope all of you are enjoying life. I got the mushrooms half price too. I got all these veggies pretty much half price. Once you find the place where you can get the stuff half price, that's when you'll really start saving money. And I buy the salad dressing has gone up from $1 to $1.50. So that's a 50% increase. Okay, so now for a little of this tasty ham bake. I think it's really delicious because it's made with Swiss cheese. It doesn't call for it, but I put it on top. So this would be good for like a little brunch, you guys. Take a look at this. It's very cost effective. Let me make sure it's showing. And I use my little canned ham that I got at Walmart. And then I figured I would make some tasty fruit cups in my little, I have amber glassware and green glassware and all kinds of vintage glass, carnival glass, anything, you know, I can possibly find. So I have some apricots. This is a good thing for kids to eat, and they will like it. And then I just put the coconut in the oven and toasted it. So here is my tasty little dessert. What's good about this is you can make everything in advance. So what I've been doing is, now let me taste this. I will tell you. If I don't like it, I will tell you. I hate it. I think it's going to be pretty good. Let me take a look at this. Yummy. I live, well, as you guys know, I live for a new recipe. Take a look at this, you guys. Check out the 25, I don't know if you can see this. Oh, you know what? I have them right here. I'll show them to you right now. Dirt cheap meals. Just take a screenshot. And on the Twitter, it comes with recipes. I write everything. Oh, and you guys told me you've been writing stuff in your notebooks. That's good because, you know, we don't know. A lot of these I've already done, but everyone has their own little spin on. I had issues with my pens. I like everything in the videos. So most of this stuff I grew out of my food. So, okay, you guys, I will be back tomorrow. Let me see if I can show you my rocks, and then, you know, that'll be it for tonight. I don't want to bug the neighbors. I'm sure I am. This is one of those fine rocks and hide things. So I found it, but I didn't re-hide it. I collect them. They're very easy to sell. I've sold tables full of rocks. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.